What's up guys? For today's video, try nating palitan yung ROTA center caps ng Race center caps. So medyo tricky ang pagtanggal nito. We're gonna make sure na hindi natin madadamage yung original center cap using this one. Lalagay natin yan mamaya dito to wedge. And then I'll show you everything. Let's get to it! So at first, hanapin niyo yung medyo hindi kasi even yung space niyan eh. So hanapin niyo yung medyo papasok yung tool. There. See? So this one, I'm replacing it with a aftermarket center cap Bock racing wheel na nakuha ko lang sa online. Actually sa Lazada. Okay? Sakto siya. Ito, yung ROTA na TE37. This one I'm not sure with the measurement pero lalagay ko mamaya sa description. So let's put it. Ito mas madali kasi press nyo lang. There. Voila. There. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Less than a minute I guess. Medyo tricky lang sa una pero kayang-kaya. So there you have it. Replacing the center caps.